After a neck-and-neck race with Grand Alliance, the NDA is all set to return to power in Bihar, though by a slim margin. The results on the Election Commission site on Wednesday morning indicated that it crossed the majority mark of 122 seats in the 243-member House. The NDA, comprising the Bharatiya Janata Party, Janata Dal United, Vikashsheel Insan Party and Hindustani Awam Morcha, won 125 seats in all. The BJP emerged victorious in as many as 74 seats, while the JDU managed to win only 43 seats. Smaller allies, the HAM and the VIP, won 4 seats each. The Lok Janashakti Party, which had quit the NDA in the state just ahead of October-November elections, ended up with 1 seat. The opposition, Mahagathbandhan, ended up with 110 seats, with the Rashtriya Janata Dal winning 75 seats, the Congress 19 and the Communist Party of India Marxist-Leninist winning 12. The Communist Party of India and the Communist Party of India Marxist won 2 seats each. The remaining seats were divided among Asaduddin Owaisi's AIMIM, which won 5 seats, and the Bahujan Samaj Party, which won 1 seat. 1 independent was also elected. The first mass election in the country amidst conditions created by COVID-19 pandemic has paved the way for the return of Chief Minister Nitish Kumar for the 4th successive term in office, though if sworn in this time he will be becoming the Chief Minister for the 7th time. The nail-biting contest saw the Mahagathbandhan narrowing the gap between the two alliances. While BJP performed a stellar role in NDA's victory, winning 72 seats, RJD also gave a brilliant performance by bagging 75 seats and emerged as the single largest party in the 243-member Bihar Legislative Assembly. The Congress could win only 19 out of 70 seats it contested, and this took its toll on Mahagathbandhan's tally. Chirag Paswan-led Lok Janashakti Party, which had fielded over 130 candidates, could get only 1 seat. Meanwhile, a delegation of RJD and Congress went to the Election Commission office in Patna and alleged tampering in the counting of votes in some constituencies. After leaving the Election Commission office, RJD leader Manoj Jha, who was part of the delegation, said that tampering had been done on over a dozen seats in an effort to change people's mandate, and added that Election Commission had assured the delegation it will try to address their grievances. However, Umesh Sinha, Secretary General ECI, said that the Election Commission had never worked under duress and all officials and machinery had worked sincerely for declaration of Bihar election results. News Desk, Kaumudi English.